Hindi porke nagtatrabaho mayaman, ano?
Tumaba ka ba? Pumayat ka ba?
Bakit kayo mag-aalaga?
Che! Ay, nagmamadali. Eh di ikaw, mauna ka na.
Hi everyone,
Hello!
this is Chloe.
This is DJ Sam from 96.3 Easy Rock and welcome to all the viewers.
Oh yeah, oo, pero hindi naman lahat ng relatives. May mga ilan-ngilan. Meron. Nakakapikon. Iniiwasan ko na lang, hindi kasi ako pinalaki na sumasagot sa nakakatanda sa akin. So, dead ma.
Siguro the very common question na, tumaba ka ba? Or pumayat ka ba? The usual is about the weight. And siguro I've been hit with questions before about when I was still single. Oh, kailan ka mag-aasawa? Alam mo yun? Normal na yung ganun. So yeah, I've been hit many times with those kind of questions from other titos and titas from all over the families talaga namin. Ay, nagmamadali? Eh di ikaw, mauna ka na.
Bakit kayo mag-aalaga? Apo. Imposibleng magkaapo ako at my age, diba? Che! I have a cat. I always answer, I have a cat. And they're my apos. I buy their litter. I take them to the vet. And I buy their food. How I will be as mamita. Woke na mga bata ngayon, hindi nila priority. And that's totally okay. Pupuntahan ka nung anak, wala pong gatas. Diaper. Alam mo ko ni Lord kaya wala pa akong apo. Binigyan niya na lang ako ng pusa.
Ganun talaga pag maraming makain. Sarap kumain eh. Hirap pigilan.
Hindi lang para, talagang tumaba ako. At least mataba lang. Eh paano na lang kung sinabi sa'yo pumangit ka? O ang pangit mo pa rin, diba? At least yung katawan ko, magawang ko ng paraan. And as long as komportable ako sa katawan ko, tumataba ako, eh so what? It only means na may pambili ako ng masasarap na pagkain na gusto kong kainin and hindi na ako deprived.
Uy, hindi naman masyado. Hindi naman kasing yaman mo. Mas mayaman ka pa rin, friend.
Actually, hindi pa. Hindi pa ako mayaman. Kaya nga ako nagtatrabaho, diba? Eh kung mayaman na ako, di na ako magtatrabaho. Nasa bahay na lang ako, mag-enjoy ako manood ng Netflix buong araw. Gagawin ko lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Mag-road trip ako kung saan-saan kasi may panggasolina ako. Kaya nga ako nagtatrabaho kasi marami pa akong gustong gawin. At saka kaya pa ng katawan ko. Hindi porke nagtatrabaho mayaman, ano. Maraming tao nagtatrabaho para masustain din nila yung buhay nila. At saka para hindi umasa sa iba.
Ay, may patago si Mare. Ay, hindi. Sige, no problem. Akong bahala dyan sa mga junakis mo.
Bakit nanaanak ko ba sila? Mga inaanak ko nga, hindi ko pag naaalala ko lang. Ikaw, sa pamasko mo sa akin. Ano ko, pasensya na. Hirap ng life ngayon. Grabe naman, may mga ganun talaga.
Uy, ang aga naman mag-Sharon. Ano, be? Hindi, sige, pwede, oo. Marami pa yan. Gusto mo, tulungan pa kita magbalot.
Ay, basta marami. Ako, pagdating sa pagkain, hindi ako maramot. For as long as marami, I hate it pagka nasisira ang pagkain. I hate it pag hindi napapakinabangan yung mga, like for example, natitira sa handaan. Mas gusto ko pang ibalot yan, ipamigay, ipakain. Okay lang, for as long as marami pa. In fact, kahit konti na nga kung may gustong magbaon, magbalot, why not? Kesa masira at hindi makain. So, pagdating sa pagkain, di tayo maramot. Grasyoso tayo dyan. Basta may papakain, basta may handa, Gucci.
To all the relatives, I hope that, we try to be a little more sensitive when it comes to asking those questions. Kasi not everyone can take it easily like I do. Kasi I can easily make a joke out of it. But to others, it might be a little hurtful or nakaka-pressure. Kung merong peer pressure, parang may family pressure, I'm pretty sure naman yung mga tito and tita natin, they don't have anything negative. Walang negative connotation yung mga question nila. But it's just a matter of nangangamusta. Let's be a little considerate.
2024 na po, magti-2025 na. That is so toxic. Tigilan na po natin yan. Every person is going through something. If you feel like di rin naman makakatulong ang sasabihin mo, it would be best wag ka na lang magsalita. And, just give them your sweet smile.
So I'd like to greet everybody a happy, happy Christmas and a bountiful New Year. May this year be the best celebration for you and your families. And remember that we're always here. You can always tune into 96.3 Easy Rock to enjoy more of holiday music.
To all the Easy Natics, to all the the listeners of 96.3 Easy Rock, those who listen to us on air and online, and to all those who support us, lalong-lalo na online on our social media accounts. I want to greet you all a Merry Christmas and of course a prosperous New Year. May all of us be truly happy and be blessed this season.
Hey guys, don't forget that we do have our Easy Rock mobile app. You can tune into us via your mobile phones.
Just go to Apple App Store if you're an Apple user. If you're an Android user, go to Google Play Store and search for Easy Rock mobile app. You can listen to us online 24/7.
So what are you waiting for? Download now.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.